Modest with my jewels, but check the bag. Finally got the money, say my thanks. When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up the dough, I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I was dry like that. I'm at the bank again. They wonder how I go up like that. Big wheel with flames all on the side. They wonder how I was dry.
Mom,
What?
what kind of bees make milk?
Logan, bees don't make milk, they make honey.
Boo, bees do.
Boobies! Oh, okay, the kind you'll never see.
I mean, over this quarantine, I've seen many quarantitties, so...
No, you did. Give me your phone right now. Let me check.
No! My God.
Remember last video?
Who's cooler, me or Tommy?
Tommy.
Why?
Because you're not TikTok famous.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
get out of here. Who's cooler, me or Tommy?
Tommy.
Why?
Because he is.
Oh, why?
Get out of here, dude.
Who's cooler, me or Tommy?
Tommy.
Why?
Because he's way cooler than you.
Oh, why?
Because I said so.
What's going on? No! What is the gulag? What is that? Screw you, kid! Screw you, your dad! What do you mean? Your dad? What do you mean? Your dad? So it's like that. Matter of fact, I'm glad I met you. Hold on, bro. Turn the lights on. Turn the light. I already killed you once. What's good? You want it again?
Is this like a kissing competition? Cause I'll win. I don't care if
Hold on,
I'm
Jacob.
mad.
How did you get here?
James Charles killed me because I took his sweaty gym socks.
Of course you would. But back to you. It's on site with you. You think I'm scared?
Matter of fact, swing first.
Hold on. What's my weapon?
Swing first, then.
Lights on, my guy. No, chill. Yeah, you're getting teabagged. I like that. I like it.
Hey, yo, start twerking before you leave.
Whose man's is this?
Cups of rose.
Run.
I'm sitting in my class, right? My teacher comes up. He's like, all right, guys, we're going to the zoo at 11 a.m. If you don't got your permission slip, you can't go. Oh, shit, I forgot. I forgot about that. I got my permission slip in my backpack. I'm like, oh, I got to sign this somehow. I'm like, hey, teacher, can I go to the bathroom? I don't know. Can you? Shut up. I get to the bathroom, right? I pull out the permission slip, pull out my pen. I start signing it, make sure it looks just like my mom's signature. I look up. I'm like, oh, well, what's up with you? The janitor's standing there like, Mr. Janitor, mind your business. I appreciate what you do around the school, but this never happened. I get back to the classroom. The teacher's like, any last permission slips, turning them in right now or you're not getting on the bus. I'm like, here you go, Mr. Teacher. Thank you, Cavante. Yeah, bitch, dumbass. Hold up, Cavante. Huh, sir? Yes, sir? You didn't put the date. Oh, yeah, my mom must have been in a rush. Sorry about that, sir. Here you go.
Hey, ooh, what you eating? Give me some. What? Oh, that should look good. What is that? Bro, this just a dry ass biscuit. Bruh, did you say it was a dry ass biscuit? Because it's dry. Like what? Oh, no. Why did you put the emphasis on ass? You said it's a dry ass biscuit, not a dry ass biscuit. What? It literally means the same thing. 100% absolutely does not mean the same thing. Go ahead, explain this to me since you so damn offended because I'm eating my dry ass biscuit. Stop. Okay, look, one way you have a very extra dry biscuit, right? Dry ass biscuit, right? No, see, you doing it again. That's like you saying dry ass biscuit. It's dry ass biscuit. Okay, but like, what's the difference though? Okay, let me give you another example. My uncle came with me to the store versus my uncle came with me to the store. I don't see the difference. Your uncle's still coming, right? That was a horrible choice of words, but that's not the point. So say your grandma makes some juice and you drank it. You say, I drank grandma's juice. Right, I drank grandma's juice. No, the way you said that makes it sound like you diddling your grandma.
What comes after 69?
What are you, failing math?
I am.
Yeah, I know that.
No, just answer. What comes after 69?
70?
Someone told me it was mouthwash. Yeah, isn't it mouthwash?
Landon, you dirty bird! Take that and wash your mouth out. You're so gross.
Don't you dare hit me with it.
It's like in gym class when you have to go tap the fucking one line and run back.
Oh, the fitness gram pacer test or whatever.
The running from the popo test will begin in 10 seconds.
What schools be like?
Edition. Detroit school system wild.
Running from the white cracker test will begin.
The running from the clan test will begin in 10 seconds. Pull your pants up, motherfucker. Shit's about to get real.
You better hope you wore a belt today, brother.
I can't aim right now.
So my ex just texted me, how's your girlfriend? But I said I don't have one. And she's like, I know, and I want you to always remember that. What do I say? Ask her how her dad's doing. So my ex sent me a picture of her with a new dude. What do I say? Ask her which cousin it is. Dude, my grade point average is so good right now. Too bad it doesn't show. You're probably going to end up working at McDonald's. Karens be like, when was America ever great? Idiots like you left it would be. Oh, wow. Yes, I'm going on a date tonight. Oh, cool. Who'd you pay now? My ex keeps saying that I'm short and I'm not good at sports. What do I say? Her boyfriend's not good at loving her, but she's still with him. What is in that bottle, bro? Like, you have no chill. Bro, everyone keeps spamming me and getting mad at me because they're saying scientists are saying that climate change is a real issue. Scientists are also saying that there's only two genders, but nobody listens to that. I am posting that. I am actually...
This is what he asked me most recently. He goes, Cam, we're friends, right? I was like, of course we're friends. He goes, would you take a bullet for me? I was like, from a gun? Are there bullets I'm unaware of? First of all, you're overly confident in my ability to take a bullet. I'm built like drywall. Whoever's behind me is still gonna die. I'm not taking anything. Like shooting a ghost. Do you know how mad I'd be if I tried to be a good person and take a bullet for somebody and be like, I'm a hero, and they still died? I'd be like, I'm a good person. Did you still die? I could have just not got shot. Could have just grieved you. I don't even got health insurance like that. This is stupid. Now I'm in debt and my pancreas is gone. This is dumb.
What? No, we can't have said that. Play that again. Dogs fucking pizzas. It can't have said that. It just sounds like dogs fucking pizzas. It just sounds like dogs fucking pizzas. That's all I'm hearing.
What the heck is going on? You guys want to do Who's Most Likely To? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask this thing, who's most likely to do something, and whoever it shocks is the person most likely to do that thing. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay. Who's most likely to kiss their homie? Ah! Oh my goodness, Dom, what's good? What's good? Who here is most likely to get arrested? Ow!
This game's racist.
This game's racist. Who here is most likely to have the ugliest hookup? Oh my goodness. Who is she? Who here is most likely to die first? Ah, shoot. Oh no, guys, what? Who here is most likely to have the tiniest wiener? Oh, shoot.
I'm a girl, I promise.
Okay, what are you in here for?
Well, my name's Juicy, and I'm in here for stealing hamburger.
How long are you in here for?
37 years to life. I also blew up a school bus, but that's not as notable as the hamburger.
Yeah, but what type of kids were on that bus? Were they normal kids or were they special kids?
They were Fortnite kids.
Ah!
So why are you in here? That's what I said! Juicy, don't touch the fire. Ooh, that's hot.
Very good, Juicy, that is hot. Out of us 4 friends, there is one who doesn't tire, and he's very smart, even when he's sticking his finger in the fire.
That's me, 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 that's me.
Okay, keep going.
The orange justice.
Yeah! Hey, watch this.
Kobe.
Right there! Raindrop! Old school! T, time out. I'm burning. My lungs are burning. Bank shot.
All right, class, who wants to come up here and name a positive impact of the tragic coronavirus that happened over 50 years ago? Anybody? Ah, yes, you in the back. Andrea, why don't you come up here and tell the class? A positive impact of the coronavirus is my existence. Basically, my daddy told me that I would have never existed because he said he would have never DM'd my mom and asked her to quarantine and chill.
I actually disagree. That's more of a negative impact.
Yes, John. Can you please tell us why you disagree with this? Remember, only use reliable resources, not like Wikipedia, because class, remember, we don't use Wikipedia.
Oh, easy. I don't need Wikipedia for that one. She fucked the whole squad, and from personal experience, she got that Arby roast beef.
Is that true, Andrea? I mean, class, you are dismissed. We don't need that talking here, you hoe bags.